Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today we'll be making this very easy Happy Friendship Day card. So let's begin.
Tonight, I'd lie for you, baby. Honestly,
So I hope this card was useful and you will also make these kind of cards for your friends. And if you're new to our channel, do subscribe our channel and watch my other videos as well. Till then, take care and see you next time. Bye bye.